All right, hi everybody. We're working through the diploma prep material. This is the chapter on exponents and logs. And we're going to look at an application of logs word problem here. This is an earthquake problem. And regardless of the equation that they give you, in this case they give you this guy right here, what you should be looking at is this equation right here to use. The intensity of the first earthquake divided by the intensity of the second one is going to be 10 to the magnitude of the one minus the magnitude of the second. Okay? Even if you get this equation right here, because you're going to be asked to make a comparison between two of them, you're going to end up like taking this equation I1, dividing by it at I2, and you're going to get this anyway. So you might as well just memorize this, just use this equation immediately. Now, what we've got here is a particular major earthquake, okay, with a magnitude of 7.9 is 120 times as intense. Okay, now, as a minor quake, so I'm being given here, okay, big quake divided by little quake is 120 times. Now, we know the magnitude of the major quake at 7.9, so this is going to equal 10 to the 7.9 minus, we don't know the magnitude of the minor quake. But to solve this, I would take the log of both sides, whoops, sorry about that, take the log of 120 is equal to, and the beautiful thing about these sorts of questions is when you take the log of a power of 10, you're simply left with the exponent. Okay, so basically just remember this over here if you need to think of it like this. The log base a of a to the n is equal to n. As soon as like the bases are the same, those things essentially cancel if you want to think of it that way, and you get the n there. So now what I would do is I would bring the magnitude over to the left-hand side, bring the log of 120 over to the right-hand side, and the answer that you get here is 5.8.